Teaching one-to-one. This is a course introduction. Teaching one-to-one is an introductory course for delivering instructions in a laptop-rich classroom. It's going to be the basic class that every new teacher will have to complete before they start teaching in Roanoke. There are two goals for the course. First of all, we want to set a baseline for teachers to teach one-to-one. That includes everybody will have to know how to use their learning management system to create classes and deliver instruction. And every teacher needs to have a plan on how to teach one-to-one. Both of those two things are critical for next year. The second is for you to experience a learning management course that includes both collaboration and project-based learning. So next year, as you're developing your courses and you're developing your one-to-one classroom, you'll know what students will experience when they are on the receiving end of your course makeup. This class is going to be taught in topics. More than likely your class will be taught week to week, as you see when you get to the point of setting up your Moodle class. There's going to be a series of topics over each day. I'm going to go over them briefly here. On day one, Monday, you're going to start off with topic 1, which is learning how to take an online class. We're going to show you a series of videos on how to navigate Moodle and do what you need to do. But the most important part of day 1, Monday, is you're going to do assignments that help you create a model for your next year's teaching one-to-one. On the next day, you're going to have start working on your setting up your Moodle class, and it's actually a 2-day class, so it will be Tuesday and Wednesday. And then on Thursday, you're going to have 2 topics. One, you will learn how to use Google Apps to collaborate. I know you know a lot about Google Apps, but this is going to focus in on collaborating. And also you'll learn how to manage the internet. And this will tell you a lot about Lightspeed and My Big Classroom. Finally, on the last day, you're going to work with some of your fellow teachers on a collaborative project. And that will be the end of the course. Under each one of those topics, what you're going to see is right here on the screen. There's going to be a set of assignments, and under the assignment heading, there will be a list of things to click on. When you click on them, they will tell you what you're supposed to do, and they will refer to web links or readings that are listed below. And so you should have all the resources to do each assignment. These are not everything you need to know. We expect on some of these assignments you'll have to go out and get with other people or go to the web or work on it with other folks. But this is certainly a starting point, and this is just so you on each topic will know what things are available and where they are. Here's some class tips. Tip number 1, and should put an exclamation point here: if you are stressed out, call your coach. Now this is not our preferred way of getting help, and we'll show you in the next slide how to get help on just I don't know what to do here, or how about this question. But if you're totally stressed out, just give us a call. We're here. We're going to be available all the time. Secondly, you'll see one topic a day, but you can go back. So for example, on Monday you'll see topic 1 and 2, but none of the other topics. On Tuesday you'll see topic 2 and 3, but also you'll still be available to go back and look over topics 1 and 2 if you want to do that. Finally, the third tip is participating in forum discussions is not optional. I know some of you are comfortable doing this, some of you are not, but it's a part of learning to collaborate, and forums are a good way to do that with your class. And I will be commenting on submitted work, so look back in the grade book, and once you see the beginning you know what I'm talking about, and know you're not being graded. If you've looked at that closely, you understand that the grade book, in order for me to actually look over what you've done, it has to be set up in the grade book. So it's just a way for me to conveniently go through stuff that you've submitted. Help. Some of you may need help on little things during the week, and I'll be there to help. Just click on My Virtual Office. See the picture down below. It's at the very top of your screen all the time. Type in your question or comment, and your coach should respond pretty much immediately. This is going to be great. So when you get to it, you know, I know you probably already have, but get your morning cup of coffee, put your feet up, and step into the 21st century.